Over the weekend, we review our previous week's trades, setups, and analysis. I'd like to share and demonstrate the master level of teachings of Eric from Spydaytrading, who is your teacher, your mentor, your coach. The qualifications that Eric has are highly regarded. He graduated majoring in finance, math, and economics. Joined a bank as a junior analyst about 20 years ago. He was given a $100,000 fund to manage, of which he grew it to mid eight figures in 6 years. He left his job. A few years ago, he started this YouTube channel. Thursday and Friday was pretty big as far as the analysis that Eric provided. And I just wanted to share and go over and remind you the level of teaching and knowledge that Eric has and shares in the community with you. So you never forget it. So you realize you're being taught by a master day trader, a market wizard. Thursday, SPY went down 2%. The S&P 500 went down 2%. On Thursday, in his analysis, 11:13 on Thursday, he posted, if the market is kind, we go all the way down to the daily bottom Bollinger. Then tomorrow, which would be Friday, we cover the shorts. An easy play. This comes from his 20 plus years of experience as a big boy. He understands how the big boys think and operate. And that was on Thursday at 10:54. Again, if the market is kind, all the way down to the bottom Bollinger. Then tomorrow we cover shorts, an easy play. That was about right here, approximately in this area on Thursday. Thursday finished up. It didn't continue to crash. It just held right around this area. And Friday morning, now we come into Friday morning, and Eric prepared us with his analysis at 7:37 in the morning. You could see here, this is pre-market. The market opens up at 9:30. So 2 hours before the market opened up, Eric shared his first preparations for us in the Discord community. 7:37, Eric posted in the pre-market, bottom Bollinger it is, LOL. We'll prep you later today. Get ready. Let's wrap the week strong. And he reminded us, if the market is kind today, all the way down to the daily Bollinger Band. He prepares us every morning with scenarios, bullish and bearish. And here at 8:05 a.m. Eastern Time, selling continuation with the orange and green algos to the blue algo area where the daily bottom Bollinger is. And he highlights in parentheses, we're already there. 5:06, which is 8:06 Eastern Standard Time. He's letting us know and reminding us this is not a prediction, it's a preparation. And this is why I wanted to make this video, just to show you the foresight that Eric has and the level of experience that he has. He's not predicting what's going to happen. He's just preparing based on his 20 plus years of knowledge, skill, experience of how the big boys operate. So here's 8:06 in the morning. This is still pre-market. He's reminding us it's not a prediction, it's a preparation. The best case scenario is to build some liquidity at the start of the day, a little bounce perhaps, then straight down to the bottom Bollinger Band to trigger more stops, and the shorts cover. And that is 9:32. We'll move now to 9:32 we're at the daily bottom Bollinger. If you have any shorts, please protect. So if anybody who was looking to go short, price went down for a few minutes, he's letting you know the first 2 minutes of the market open, 9:32. If you have any shorts, you must protect. We're at the bottom Bollinger Band. On the daily chart, you could see at 9:32, price was at the bottom Bollinger Band. The blue line is the bottom Bollinger. This is Friday. Market opens right around here. Pre-market price ran up a little bit, dumped down to touch the daily bottom Bollinger Band, and you had an engulfing green candle to start off the morning, the first 10 minutes of the day. Exactly as it is, 10 minutes into the day, Eric post, so it's 9:41, so we're 11 minutes into the market open. I want to see blue buying a little more than the teal algorithm building liquidity to activate the strongest green precision buying if this is truly going to bounce. 11 minutes into the market day. And as it happens, there is the 1 minute chart we will show. 11 minutes into the market day, 41, right around here. Just as his diagram shows, we're looking for teal. We have the controlled selling and the algorithm, the strongest buying algorithm activated. And for the first half of the day, the AM session, price ran up 8 points. Just wanted to review how the preparation that and the analysis that Eric is giving us creates such a big edge for anybody who's teaching, for anybody who's learning under his teachings. Don't sleep on this analysis. This is not a YouTuber. This is not an influencer. This is an institutionally trained professional that has taken his time after he retired from his career to build this little YouTube channel and this community to teach, to pass on the skills that he has learned. I hope you're able to take advantage of it. I hope you're able to appreciate it. We're reviewing the past week, getting ready for a new week, heading into the end of November and the end of the year. So we could start the year 2026 strong and on fire. Have a great week.